The Wessex ModuMax Mark III boiler is just the latest in a long line of Wessex boilers which date back to the late 1970s. We've listened to changing market requirements and changing legislative requirements over the years and ended up with the Mark III boiler.
The design of the ModuMax 3 starts here in Pooling, Dorset. We have a team of design engineers and a team of development engineers. They work very closely with our people in sales, service and production. By getting together with them, we can develop a product that meets our customer needs. The main changes that have been done to the ModuMax Mark III is the introduction of a new control system. The latest Siemens platform gives us greater functionality and improved performance. Good control setup is important to the energy efficiency of the building. The second change that we've made to the product is increasing the temperature differential of the boiler. That's now been increased to 40 degrees. The reason for that is market demand. District heating systems are requesting bigger temperature differentials, mainly to make sure that the boiler is always operating within its condensing mode and therefore improving the efficiency of the building. And the final change that we've made to the product is the addition of an air inlet filter. This is really to improve the reliability of the product. It's much easier to change an air filter than to go in and change a block burner. So by having that feature in there, we're basically improving the reliability of the product.
Hamworthy has always invested really heavily in research and development. It's all of our core products are developed in this country by us on site. We have to comply to European and British standards. I've been with the company nearly 19 years now, and over that time we've seen changes in the test work that we have to do, certainly changes in the targets that we have to meet for efficiency and for emissions. What this means is that every time we develop a new product, we have to push harder. We have to make sure that we comply, and we always try and exceed that if possible. The latest controller for the ModuMax Mark III is all microprocessor based. During the R&D process, we can interface with this via computers, laptops. This gives us valuable information to help us assess the performance of the product. We use state-of-the-art combustion analysis to ensure that we're getting the correct emissions from the boiler. All of the equipment that we use for monitoring different functions on the boiler, temperatures, pressures, are all calibrated to UK standards so that we can comply when putting the boiler forward for CE testing. By thoroughly testing everything, we tried to get the answers to the questions that people haven't even asked us. That way we can give as much technical support as possible to the customer.
ModuMax Mark III are made in this factory, including the controller now. They start off with a heat exchanger. We then move to the assembly of the unit after testing, and after the assembly of the unit it goes to the test line where they're fully tested to meet compliance.
Wessex ModuMax is Hamworthy's best-selling boiler because of a good heritage. Customers believe in the product. It's always been reliable. It's always kept pace with changing legislation and market requirements. It's manufactured in stainless steel, so it's particularly tolerant of existing heating systems. It's compact, so space utilisation within plant rooms is great for the installer. We have a tremendous turn-down capability, so that boilers which operate with fast swings between full load and part load could be accommodated efficiently by the Wessex ModuMax boiler range.